Alright, toe fetish fuckers, Mason the French here back with another chart video. So it is January 6th, and this was by far the fastest day I've ever had with trading. Now, I low-key thought I was going to lose in the beginning, but boy, your boy came back for the dubs. So today I'm expecting it to be a buy day. That's why I have this white line up here. I put that there because I'm expecting it to at least get to that point because that's where the most recent high was. So I'm expecting it to get to there and hopefully break past it. Now, right when the market opened, you can see a large red candle coming over here. Usually right when the market opens, for my market on US 30, it either makes one move. It either goes straight up or goes straight down. In this case, it went straight down, but this opens up the opportunity for it to be a buy day. Or even look at this, within a few seconds, you just saw that. Within not even a fucking second, it went from here to fucking here. And then it's gonna go from that to just a little tiny body candle. Like, you see how tiny this body is? It's so small and the wicks are so large. This is such a bad way to put in a trade. And then the next candle that came in was the buying wick. Now this one, it was still a little bit iffy because you can see it going up and down right now. So obviously you don't know for sure what's gonna happen. But what I'm gonna do is I just wait a few minutes to just see what's going on with the market. And then right here, this was kind of my confirmation, as you could say, to put in the buying wick. I low-key could have put in a buy a little bit earlier just because you can see how these wicks are. Usually when wicks are looking like this, to me, from what I've seen from the trend of it, is that it's unstable within the sellers. And then once the buyers come in with a position like this to where it just fully comes up one way, that's when it's the time to put in a buy. So from right here, what you can see is I let it come down just a little bit more, just so that once it makes that rise up, it makes me even more of a profit. So it came down a little bit, just a tad bit. And then the market is starting to make its uptrend now. And you see right here, motherfuckers, if I put in my trade a little bit earlier or like right when the candle came in for the next minute, I definitely wouldn't have done that. But I'm just saying, like, if that was to happen on this candle right here and then it went up to this candle, I would have made my money then and there. And like I said, it already broke through my white structure. So from it breaking through that, that's perfect, because now I know in my eyes that it's gonna keep on staying in a buying position. And then the next candle came in and it formed right over here, and then I'm up to $400, but it does make a little bit of a reverse on me for a little bit, because as you can clearly see, you can see that the sellers are starting to come in a little bit more and then starting to push the price back down. But once this minute goes by, then it goes back up a little bit. And then right here, I don't know why I did it so late, but I put in my stop loss and my take profit right here. I'm going for a 1-to-2 ratio to where I'm risking $200, but I'm trying to make $400 to $500. I would essentially want to make $500. And then this was where I shit my pants a little bit, because it was so close. It was so fucking close to hitting that 400 mark that I thought it was just gonna make a clear soar. But then the sellers just came in and just bombarded, like right there. That fucking just whoosh, whoosh. Dude, that took me straight into the fucking negatives. It's crazy how you can go from so fast to having $400 in your pocket to going to fucking zero or even break even. But that doesn't matter, because your boy, he knows what he's doing sometimes, and he's starting to get better with this. And what some traders might have done is they probably would have gone out at this moment because they could have seen a reverse on the trend right here. But no, your boy is staying in. Your boy is gonna get the dub. And given it 2 minutes, the buying wick came in a little bit more, so we're looking a lot better on this trend right now. But from what I'm seeing is that the market, like it does what it just does. It goes up, it goes down, and it goes up. That's what I've seen most of the time when it comes to these trends. Oftentimes it does obviously go up and down, and it'll go up a little bit and then down again. That happens too, but it doesn't happen as often as it going up, then down, and then up again. And then I just waited a few more minutes for this candle to make its movement. I already hit my take profit at the $500 mark. It's literally just itching it away from me. And then give it 1 second, and then bam. Right then and there, 500 on the day. And I said, you know what? I'm actually gonna listen to my fucking word and only do $500 on this trade. So perfect, exactly what I wanted to do. And then coming over here to the trading notes, day 20, quickest motherfucking day ever. I saw a great opportunity to have a buy day and I took my chance in the beginning and I came out on top. Obviously, it was going to hit that marker a little bit earlier if I put in a buy a little bit earlier. But then it came down and I started losing money and then I came back up and we came out with the dub. Literally traded for about 10 minutes today, 7 minutes when I was screen recording, and I even traded from my bed. Brother, I literally turned on my computer, I put in the trade and I went down into my bed. I was just feeling confident that day. Cracked like a motherfucker bitch. I learned my lesson and didn't agree to try and take more money. Like I said, trying to get better with this, just meet a certain mark and then I'm good. Unless, like, let's say for instance, let's say the market goes up and it meets my mark. Right when it meets my mark and it goes up like $100 more, I'm just gonna put in my stop loss right at that mark to where I can take that money. Because let's just say the market just keeps going and it gets up to like $1,000 and my stop loss is still at $500. So no matter what, I'm still profitable at that point. But I could just be getting a little bit more, and then once it hits that $1,000 mark, then I put it there, and then etc. Could have replaced my stop loss and my take profit to see if I could potentially make more money, but no need since I got what I needed today. Next time I'll try that. Like I just said, strategy worked very well today. At one point the candle came all the way down and it met my buy where I put in my buy. And then it went back up to me, my take profit. We're looking golden, up $500 on the day, motherfuckers. But that was my trading day, y'all. Hopefully y'all's was as good as mine and as quick as mine too. But it's crazy how you can just make so much money in such little time. And boy, I'm just getting better and better with this. And I'm getting better with the discipline. And soon, like I said, y'all, real money is gonna start coming in. I think next week, I'm actually gonna put real money in and really see how the shit goes. And if I lose $500 or more, it is what it is. I'll make it back. Not a big fucking deal. But without further ado, motherfuckers, I'm gonna get back to do what I move and groove and do some more trading stuff and make some more content. So without further ado, toe sucking motherfuckers, I'm out, bitches.